What's up? So I bought this fine woven case from Apple the day the iPhone 15 Pro came out. I put this thing on the first day I got the phone, and it's been on my phone since. So this is what your Apple iPhone 15 Pro fine woven case looks like after an entire year of use. So there was a lot of backlash on this case, because the leather case was no more, and they were like, "Hey, you can get a similar feel in texture and all that." It, it's it no, you no, it feels like plastic on the especially here on the sides. Honestly, the back still feels pretty soft. It's not too bad. And by the way, I just kind of gave this a wash with the tough stuff, so it looks better honestly right now than it did a couple of minutes ago, and it feels a little bit better than it did a couple of minutes ago. One thing that remains to be the biggest issue with this case is the sides, though. The sides feel like straight up plastic. It's just hard plastic. It's scratching up. It doesn't feel good at all, and it doesn't feel anything like leather. Leather always has this bit of softness to it, and this feels more like an oily, scratchy texture, like the really cheapest plastics in Ford products. That's exactly what this case feels like. I I do like how it has the MagSafe on there. Even though I never use MagSafe charging, I do have a 3D printed mount that I use in my Toyota GR86 that works perfectly with the MagSafe. It's very strong. It keeps the phone on there, even in a sports car. So the MagSafe capabilities is good. It remains good even a year later. So that I'm not complaining about. It's just the way this thing looks and feels, y'all. I am not a fan. And I remember having that leather case. I probably still have it somewhere, but I have the leather case for the 13s, the iPhone 13s. And though it patinaed a ton, I still really liked it. And if I could have put it on the 15s, I would have definitely done that. But unfortunately, they had to change it up, save costs and all that stuff. So we're left with this nonsense. I am ready to switch cases finally, although I'm thinking about getting a skin. I think a skin would be pretty cool on a phone. I really want to eliminate as much bulk as possible. And though this is one of the thinner cases you can get for an iPhone, I don't know. I feel like I'm moving towards minimalist everything nowadays. So maybe a skin will be in the future for my iPhone 15 Pro. I do not plan on getting the iPhone 16 Pro. All you're really getting with that phone is the 4K 120, and even then you got to buy a really fast card reader to actually use it. So yeah, I will just do something. But I'm definitely done with this case, 1000%. It's held up, I guess, well structurally. It's just the quality, the hand feel. It leaves a lot to be desired. But anyway, that is the 1 year review, brutally honest review of the Apple Fine Woven case. Thanks for watching as always, and more soon.